Is sponsored by Spax, Feeney Rails, 1-800-PACK-RAT, and Doll Tile. Chip Wade and Kathryn Emery, they're seasoned home improvement experts, and they're going to show us how you can make your new build or renovations easier, inspired by the items that they saw at the National Association of Home Builders in the Las Vegas show.
Thank you so much for having us back. Can you tell one of our favorite things to do is walk in these trade show floors? Are you doing the moonwalk?
I'm trying to, not really doing a great job. But instead of getting all of our steps in and burning calories, the trade shows are all about finding amazing products. Here, design and building is present on the floor. Let's talk about a category that everybody can relate to in their home, which is railings. Now, historically, railings, the cheapest option is kind of wood railings. They're fast, but they can deteriorate and become a structural problem over time.
Makes sense.
What I love is aluminum railings that will last the test of time. These are from Feeney Rails. I love these. The different colors, the finish level is really top notch. And they offer all kinds of really great, easy installation options. Everything comes ready to go right in the box. Now, even deck mount and fascia mount on the front, which I really love. I've installed a lot of Feeney rails with fascia mount. Now, the cool part about this modern design rail is all the cool infill panel options. Of course, the super popular stainless steel 1/8" cable.
I like that one that you can
great.
see through, right? I also, this resin here with the beautiful designs on it, the metal, they even have glass. You can really personalize it. And from what I'm hearing now, indoor and outdoor, so I can talk about stairway on my inside, deck, railings around my outside.
As a designer, having that coordination interior and exterior makes our job incredibly easy.
Okay, you're queuing up this next one for me, right? So making the job incredibly easy. You do a ton of builds, and I didn't realize how important finding the right fastener really is.
That's right. So fasteners is really what holds everything together in a structure, and these are called power lags from Spax. Now, you might have seen smaller versions of Spax screws before, really high quality. They're not going to strip out. They have the nice type of bit right here that actually never strips out, which I love. But what these power lags do is they hold multi-ply larger timbers together and even trusses. So what this is going to do is give you the confidence that your build is going to stay together. These are also fully certified for IRC, so you can have no hesitation for putting these bad boys in your next build.
It sounds like they're keeping everything together. Do they have a Spax version for my life?
No, I don't think they make one that big. All right, let's talk storage and moving.
Yeah.
You've heard of 1-800-PACK-RAT before.
Absolutely. This system is so smart. It's a high quality container. It gets dropped off. You fill it up. They move it from place to place for you. Now we're at the Builder Show. Talk to me about how it can help our pro contractors.
So what's really interesting is they're using the technology of convenient storage to actually now come to the job site. So imagine you can fill it up and have a weather resistant and secure storage container either on the job site or even off site. Fill it up with tools, fill it up with materials,
so smart.
Call them up, they're gonna bring it to the job site and it's waterproof and secure. This is fantastic and a new innovation that's going to make building a lot easier.
Absolutely. I love that. Those containers just seem so secure. I love the different sizes. 1-800-PACK-RAT for residential and commercial,
That's right. You can find these guys at 1-800-PACK-RAT/business to find out more info.
All right. Now this next one, kitchen backsplash. It's always the focal point. But Doll Tile really excites me because this is real stone and glass tile backsplashes.
So what's amazing about a backsplash is it's one of the fastest ways of making a huge difference and impact in the kitchen, and everybody can relate to that. What Doll Tile has done recently is they've come out with what's called per-fit mosaics, which basically are already pre-cut to a standard backsplash height, which makes the installation go so much faster.
That's
and
awesome.
We're not talking about like vinyl fake stuff. This is
beautiful.
Real natural stone.
Yeah, glass.
Real glass.
That's beautiful.
Beautiful options.
Absolutely. I love it. Per-fit is perfect in my book.
You're such a cat lady. You really are. We have all this stuff up for you guys at BeTheBestHome.com. Great luck this year on all your projects.
Finish with the moonwalk. We'll see you next time.